Hello everybody, this is Hans talking about the Hanzo from Friday. I still have a little bit of a cold and I apologize. I hope everybody can understand me well. I have to show you this picture and then I have to pause the recording, otherwise everything will disappear. I want to explain something what's happening here. First of all, we saw the where we are at the moment, just be 10 seconds before the opening bell move, and we see that on the 15 we have here some signals. On the 1 hour we have the blue and the red, and it already broke the 1 hour, already broke the 15, it already broke the 4 hour. So of course we assume that the opening bell, the opening bell move will go first, will go down, and then the Hanzo move will go up, and that's exactly what happened. Let me explain. So this yellow arrives here 33 seconds after the opening bell at 9:30. And then we have that down move really, and because of all this situation where we are right now, it happened. Only this thing here, the super pink on daily, gave us not big problems, but it was not finished and had to say something. And until the end of the day, it really did break also that we went here. But from that point on here, that is I think 34, we went down, and for the rest of the session it went down only. So let me explain the rest here. Why I put all these signals in here on the Renko charts, because Jasvan also told us that the whites are not really to be taken when they are somewhere in the middle. As you can see here, in the middle, that white arrived with that yellow. They arrived after that BB band has flipped up. So that shows or tells us really, with this one together, that the down will be done here. There will be no more down, and this cannot be trusted really. Then this one came here, and that came when right at the BB band itself, and then we had that yellow one. I took one down move here and one down move here because of all this situation up here. But the Hanzo really was up moves, one and another one here, and somebody like Chasran probably would take the whole thing at once, because he is not scared about that, those three blocks here, and he's not scared about one at all. So, and these, like I just said, they arrived only after that big event has been up. So now I'm going to take that away now, and then we have a look, and then I can switch it on again. So now then, all right, now we let it run and see honestly, I can't believe this is happening like that. So the OB move is coming here. As you can see, I cannot speed that up. It will bogger the whole bloody thing. And this is already the 4th or the 5th time I'm trying to do that. So I don't want to do that anymore. What I'm going to do now is we let this thing happening first, okay? And let's see this one first, and this one. Yeah, this is finished at 34. So I let it just run instead of speeding it up. So as you can see here now, do you see this? This is exactly what I was talking about. That's over here, and now it comes down. This thing goes down for about 70 pips, and this one goes up for about 60 pips, I believe. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 60 pips. And then here another 70 pips, or almost 80 pips. Altogether it was something like over 130 pips this move. So really, really fantastic. I moved this a little bit away here so you can see what the people are saying here on the chat. So now this is what's happening here, a little bit up, and you see that here, all right? And then it's coming down again. Turn it on MTs, on MTs charts, the Renkos, they look a little bit different. Jasran explained also, because this is ticks and we have the Renko 10, so it's a little bit different, but the move is the same, still the same. Now watch this one here. It's happened. You see that one here? Duck. There it came. So that'll be, if you can take that right away after that yellow appeared, that would give you minimum 60 pips. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, even 70 pips. All right. I think it went only 1 or 2 pips against you, but then went really, really up until here. Then it came down a little bit. And like I said, these ones appeared just after that BB band has flipped up. We can watch that here now. Oh, the yellow came before. So this is, yeah. That is, no, it is this one here. There was another one, yeah. There was another one that disappeared. That's why I didn't put it, because it disappeared, you see? It disappeared. And that one came at 34. So now we are at 33, 1 more minute. And also Lars said it was a little bit difficult, and yeah, well, but if you really go by that, what we see here, it is much easier to take the yellow arrows on the Renko than the whites. And also on that Hanzo, I checked every time frame from the 1 hour, 15, 5 minute, HA and the Renko. This was actually the most accurate time frame, which gives us an idea what we have to do and which way we have to go. Now, if you watch the time, we're coming close to 34. That'll be over here, and you can see it's moving up here again. That's what I mentioned before. So this was the little one down here. That is, I think it is already this one here. On my chart it showed 3. On the MTs showed only one bulk and 1 bar, and then and then it went more up. And actually, when did it? No, 36 it came, 36. All right. No. Now this is this one here. That is this one here. Okay. So, you must forgive me. I have still a little bit of a cold and blah. But I wanted to do that because this is really interesting here. You see, now we have that BB band flipped up, and now days arrived. You see that? It happened exactly. Okay, that flipped up. They arrived. So this one was not to be trusted, as you can see here. Not to be trusted. Okay. Now we continue, and I believe Chasran wouldn't care about these things here because he knows about that BB band, and he knows that this super pink on daily is not over yet because it wants to break that BB band for sure. And it did later on, 1 hour before the day was over, in my time, 10 o'clock in the evening, it broke that BB band up here. So now we're going up a little bit here. Now you see that white one here that just arrived, and now we have that red Renko here, and we continue going up. Yeah, even though here we are here on the 8-hour BB band. Yeah, we broke already the 4 hour, we broke the 1 hour, and it still goes up, and that is because of that super pink daily. That one is very strong. And in the olden days, we said, I never go against a super pink or a super daily. I never do. In the beginning, I did, and it's no, not a good idea. Never go against a super pink. Make a little bit. You see here also the mom's getting stronger. So this is going up. Now we have 36. Now we have that one. All right, I take this one away. No, I don't have to take it away. And you see here the time 40. That's about it to stop because this one is also closed now. Now we have the red Renko. From this moment it goes down, and we're going down. First of all, it does this here for a while, and then we're going down for the rest of the day, and that's exactly what happened. And this is about the Hanzo from Friday. I wish you a nice pipping day today on Monday, and yeah. See you in the room. Over and out.